Stop. Again.
Today is August 21st, 2021. Sorry for the close-up. I am on my way to Brussels, Belgium with my mom and my dad. Say hi. We were able to get first, and this is what the Polaris first class business looks like. It kind of looks the same as first before. The only difference is we got this red bag, Team USA, for the Olympics, I'm guessing. And then I have two pillows here, a nice little Tempur-Pedic feeling one, and then a normal one. Got my food there, some free water, headphones. Oh, that's my other stuff. And then my mom's sitting right there. And I'll probably watch some movies. I have all this information. And then all of these levels. So you can basically make the seat like a bed, and I'm probably gonna sleep a bit and eat, and then the flight is like 7 to 8 hours, and it's supposed to thunderstorm there, so I don't know what we're gonna do. I was looking forward to going to the shops, but they're all closed on some days there, so yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, but I'll vlog when I get there.
Okay.
Yeah, folks, welcome aboard from the flight deck. We're just at our push time, scheduled push time now. We had a bit of a delay in the aircraft getting over to the gate and cleaned. It's a little bit of a delay for a couple of reasons. In the boarding process, they pushed our push time back to 6:25 as of now.
Here we are. Oh shit. Okay, here's the shower. Here's the mirror. Ooh, I like the sink. This. What products do they use? They have their own stuff.
Can I get in here now?
Ooh, a vanity.
Wait, let me get
For
my
me.
glass. Right.
You guys want to walk to the supermarket?
Nice little room. There's our view. Here's the little fridge. Oh, that's complimentary. Love that. Coke. A nice little Nespresso machine. Ooh, I'm gonna drink some coffee out of that.
Oh, yeah, it's good.
Strawberries look so good.
You want some?
No. We're at the supermarket. Ooh, those look good. Here's all the different products they have. That's a good brand. Love that body wash. Here they have a Belgian chocolate up there.
Right here, in orange.
Chanel. Ferragamo.
Caitlin. Brown one.
Is that your bag?
They're not
See, look at that brown
open.
one. That's the one that I like.
That's a big ass ball.
But I don't like the gold chain. I like that brown.
This is a lot more.
But yeah.
Dior. Louis Vuitton. Here's Hermes, and it's closed. It's stalled.
She'll do it with you.
It finally stopped raining for a bit, and we're outside walking to the Grand Place. Here is a statue of Peter Pan. Oh my god, my cat! I have to go chase the black cat. Okay, but that's Peter Pan.
Do this. Get all the mud off.
Oh, is that what that's for? No?
You won't see that in the States. That metal might even be original 1800, 1700 metal.
No, it's not.
No. Get ready to call.
bacon and cheese fries in Belgium. Have to try McDonald's stuff.
That looks good. Yummy.
They have a stick for you to use.
Oh, true. Good. It's good. Oh, and I got macaroons.
Okay.
Okay, you stop filming. We are at this Greek restaurant called Hellas. And I got this gyro. You got a gyro. Don't know what you got, a big platter. Is it good?
Those dancers don't get tired.
Is it good?
It looks good. I saw a guy order it and try it.
I am trying this Coca-Cola Lemon Zero Sugar. Here it is, close up. We don't have this in the US, so I was like, I'm gonna try it. And it looked interesting, so let's see. I'm coming, okay? Oh, this is interesting. Kind of tastes like, not lemony, but limey.
Will you close the blind?
It's not bad. But anyways, this Coke is actually not bad.
Not bad.
Highly recommend trying it if you ever come here. Okay, we have made it to the airport. We had to wait an hour to check in, and now we're boarding the plane, and my mask looks dirty. Did you like Brussels?
Yeah, it's just now it's good we know.
To come here 4 hours early. The line was so long, but luckily we got here early.
Well, now we know how to
So yeah,
navigate,
but we didn't get to go shopping because the shops weren't open, unfortunately.
which is good. You're gonna spend more money.
Oh yeah, I would have spent more money, but there's always next time.